Ah, where are my keys? Or actually key. Here it is. Okay. Huh? Huh? Woo!
Come on!
Good times. Where's the rock here? Are there no rocks?
No. Okay.
Woo!
How does that feel?
Fuck, man.
Scary.
That was a little bit scary, I must admit. I was like, oh shit, there's not coming up, man. Here from fate.
It's because she hasn't got diff lock.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's
Sis, just give me. I want to powder my eye quickly.
Okay. Woo. No, but the advantage of this car is it's light, so it can it can come up easier in things like that.
All right. Thank you, sis.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
All that you
Sweating a bit,
places like that.
Yeah.
Is you just give it a slight dash of extra momentum, okay?
Yeah.
To bounce you over that
Yes.
shot.
Yeah. The suspension is good enough to handle it.
Yeah. Something did touch at the back there.
I know, I heard it.
Yeah.
Shit, I must just check.
No,
But,
it'll be fine. It's just look, it'll push the vehicle up.
Yeah.
It's a rounded drop. Okay. I say, sis, yes, your side.
Yeah.
I say, there, straight. I say, man.
Yeah.
You see.
Like.
Okay.
Alright.
You remember it's got a bit of a harder turning circle you went in, especially in low.
Yeah, I've noticed the steering is a bit.
And the thing is, you don't want to turn too sharp. Because
No.
you're putting additional strain and stresses
You don't want to do
on
that.
your knuckles.
Yeah.
Not yours, it's Jimmy's knuckles. Okay. Okay.
What, my knuckles? Yeah, well, yes, my knuckles is like. My poor knuckles grabbing the wheel. Yeah.
Okay, after this point here, come to your right, okay? I say, there we go, yes. And remember your back also has to come over these things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come left.
Yeah.
Okay, I say, there we go.
No issues, low range jumping out.
No, it's that, then it is that thing, huh?
It might be.
Sorry, sis.
Yeah, but no, last time we came up here, it was here.
Is it?
It was installed. So, I don't know. Let me get out of low range. Yeah, I'll check again, but not. Yeah, so I've done this with the tray in low range. It didn't jump out.
Okay.
So I don't know what the cause of it is. Maybe it is because it's new. I don't know.
No, it
And
can't be.
I haven't used low range that much.
Yeah, okay. All right.
I've heard
Yeah.
someone on the forum say that they took theirs to Suzuki and they tasted it and it was fine, but the Suzuki people also said it might just be because it's so new and stiff. Get out of the way, dog.
Drive over them.
I don't want to kill my dog, man.
I'll get out. So, lekker man.
Okay,
Worked
nice
up a bit of a
work.
sweat.
Yeah.
Old Jimny flexed their muscles a
Yeah. Now she can do it.
bit. Yeah. No, I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I was thinking it might have been a little bit more hectic, but
No, it's not. You just have to
Nice
take it
low
slow.
revs.
Yeah.
Woof. Comes rocks like a Billy
Yeah,
goat.
the thing is, I would like to install what those things called bash
those
plates.
plates, yeah.
I don't want to damage the underbody because that's going to be a.
No, but you won't.